Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is how you repair or combine or strengthen thinning locks without using a crochet tool. First, find 2 adjacent locks and saturate them with spray and lock. Again, all you will need for this procedure is a comb, not a crochet tool, and spray and lock. Second, push the locks together and then connect the comb to both of the locks. Start at the root and twist the locks all the way to the end. Do not release the lock, but hold it firmly as you twist your way to the end. If this technique is applied properly, your lock should look like one lock and not 2 locks twisted together. Be sure to dry your lock with a heated dryer for about 10 minutes. Finish with spray and shine, and you're done.